Hi, my name is Davida Price, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and music therapist in San Diego, California. And today I'm bringing you a March moment of mindfulness. Today we'll be doing old-fashioned square breathing. Square breathing is wonderful for regulating the autonomic nervous system. When our autonomic nervous system is regulated, then we can feel safe and connected in the world. The reason why square breathing works is because it's a regulated and structured breath, because we breathe in for 4, hold for 4, release for 4, and relax for 4. That stresses our system a little bit, but it also helps us relax our system. Additionally, I'll be playing the piano in a higher frequency between C4 and C6 with the intention of that being more in our conversational tone and hopefully cueing your nervous system to feel safe and feel connected. We'll be doing 4 of these. I'm glad that you're here joining me. Here we go. In, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. 2, 3, 4, relax. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and hold. Release. 2, 3, 4, relax. And in, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. 2, 3, 4, relax. Last one, here we go. And in, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. 2, 3, 4, relax. And breathe however is comfortable for you, just noticing that change in your body. And thank you for joining me for this March moment of mindfulness.